MBBS at RSU Latvia. Why Riga Stranded University is one of the Europe's most respected medical universities. Hi everyone, welcome back to Higher Education Center with Rule Overseas, where we promise students to place in universities that are either equivalent or better ranked than IIT, IIM and AIMS. If you are considering MBBS in Europe, there is one university name that consistently stands out, and that is not because of marketing, but because of outcomes, reputation, and credibility. And that university is Riga Strandis University, commonly known as RSU Latvia. In this video, I will clearly explain why RSU is considered one of the strongest medical universities in Europe, what kind of academic and clinical exposure students receive, and how life in Latvia feels for Indian students, and most importantly, where this degree can take your child, and most importantly, where this degree can take your career. This is not about shortcuts, this is about choosing a globally respected medical system. So Riga Strandon University is not a new or experimental institution. RSU was founded in 1950 and today stands as Latvia's leading medical university. Key facts that matter is RSU is state-funded public university. It specializes almost exclusively in medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, and healthcare sciences. It trains students from 70 plus countries, making it one of the most international medical universities in Europe. And this specialization is important. Unlike universities that treat medicine as just one department, RSU is built entirely around healthcare education and which directly reflects in its curriculum, hospitals, and faculty strength. Academics at RSU follow European Union medical education standards. What students experience here are usually early clinical exposure in real hospitals, training in modern, well equipped European healthcare facilities, professors who are not just teachers but active clinicians and researchers, RSU tie ups with major teaching hospitals in Riga, Stradan, specialized clinical centers across Latvia. Research institutes connected to European healthcare projects, students are trained to think clinically, not just memorize theory. They are treated as future doctors, not exam machines. And this is one of the biggest differences parents notice when comparing RSU with overcrowded medical colleges elsewhere. Latvia is one of the safest countries in Europe. For parents, this matters deeply. Students at RSU experience clean, peaceful European cities, excellent public transport, strong law and order, and a calm and disciplined lifestyle. Riga is student-friendly capital city, not just chaotic, not overwhelming. Indian students adapt well because English is the medium of instruction, multicultural student environment, and support systems within the university here. Here, students don't live in survival mode. They live in focus mode. Now let's talk about what parents or students care the most about. What happens after MBBS from RSU Latvia? An MBBS degree from RSU Latvia gives European Union recognized medical qualification, license validity in 30 plus developed countries, career across Germany, Switzerland, France, Luxembourg, Nordic countries, and UK with defined pathways without the PLAB. This means you are not restricted to just one country. You can pursue PG across Europe, earn stipend during residencies, often 4 to 6 lakh rupees per month equivalent, build a career in healthcare system that are stable, respected, and well paid. Compare this with India. Years of need, preparation, next exam, uncertainty, PG rat race, limited license mobility, high private PG costs, RSU graduates operate in a system that rewards doctors, not exhausts them. RSU is not the cheapest option in Europe. That's intentional because quality infrastructure, advanced hospitals, strong faculty, international exposure, all come at a fair, transparent cost, not hidden expenses. What families get in return is credibility, global recognition, career mobility, and long term stability. And this is value based education and not a cost based compromise. The choosing RSU Latvia is not about leaving India, a system that works, a degree that travels, career that grows across borders for families who think beyond exams, beyond admissions, and beyond short term decisions. Riga Strandon University is not just about a university, it is a gateway to a global medical life. And if you want to know that how you can study and are you eligible for this university or not, you can definitely book a personalized mentorship through the link in the description below with Higher Education Center by Tola Overseas. And I will see you in the next video.